Okay, here is a carrier comfort central air conditioning unit at a commercial building in Hiawatha, Iowa. Currently not running. And this unit is on legs, so I believe this unit may be a heat pump, possibly. It is a 3.5 ton from 2015. Has a Copeland scroll compressor. And I don't see a reversing valve, so I think this is just a straight cool unit. Yeah, I think this is just a straight cool, but it is on legs though, for some reason. But yeah, this is at a commercial building in Hiawatha I've never looked at before. And I'd assume it's probably not been running because there's snow on the blades, and it's really cold out. It's in the single digits right now. This unit's got a low ambient kit. But yeah, just thought I'd get a quick video of this unit. Anyways, thanks for watching.